Introduction to Fixing Common Git Mistakes.
Git is a powerful tool for version control, but new developers often run into errors. This guide covers simple solutions to frequent Git mistakes, including how to undo changes, fix commit problems, and resolve branch confusion. Understanding these basics will help keep your projects on track and make collaboration smoother for everyone involved.
Undoing accidental local changes.
If you've changed files and want to discard your edits, use git restore file name for unstaged changes. If you've already staged your changes, undo them with git restore -staged file name. For all files, git restore discards local edits. Remember, these commands will erase your local changes, so use them with care.
Recovering from a wrong commit message.
Mistype your commit message? Use git commit amend to edit the most recent message. This command opens your editor so you can fix mistakes or rewrite the message. If you've already pushed the commit, let your team know before rewriting history, as you'll need to push with -force to update the remote branch.
Switching or creating branches safely.
If you're on the wrong branch or need a new one, use git switch _branch. To create and switch to a new branch, type git switch -c, new branch name. If you have work in progress, stash your changes with git stash. Switch branches, then restore your changes with git stash pop.
Resolving merge conflicts.
When Git can't merge branches automatically, it marks the conflicts in your files. Open each file, look for text between left, right, and decide which changes to keep. After resolving all conflicts, add the files with git add, file name, and finish with git commit. Test your code afterwards to be sure everything works.
Undoing a commit. Push to remote.
If you pushed a commit by mistake, the safest way to undo is to use git revert commit hash. This creates a new commit that reverses the changes, keeping your history intact. Avoid deleting commits from shared history unless absolutely necessary, as this can disrupt other collaborators working on the project.
Conclusion and best practices.
Mistakes happen, but Git offers powerful ways to recover. Always double-check actions before pushing, and communicate with your team if you need to rewrite shared history. Practice makes perfect. Experiment with Git on test projects to build confidence and become more comfortable fixing common errors.